Welcome back. It's day 12 of our 100 Days of 5-Minute Skills. Today, we're diving into a really powerful technique that top consultants use to tackle huge, messy problems with total clarity and confidence. Let's jump right in.
So let me ask you this. You've been there, right? Your boss drops a massive, vague challenge on your desk. Something like, improve customer satisfaction, or figure out why this project is failing. Where do you even start? It can feel pretty overwhelming. Well, here's the secret. Great problem solvers aren't just born that way. It's a skill they build, and it's all built on having a solid method. When you use a structured approach, you can cut right through all that chaos and bring some real logic to the situation, no matter how ambiguous it seems. Okay, so the method we're talking about is called the hypothesis-led approach. Now, instead of just boiling the ocean and analyzing everything, you start with a hypothesis. Think of it as your best, most educated guess about the solution. And from that point on, all your work has just one goal: to prove or disprove that specific guess. It's all about being laser-focused from the get-go.
And what's so powerful about this method is just how versatile it is. It's like a simple, strong skeleton key. It works for small, everyday decisions and for massive, complex projects. And the best part, you don't have to be a deep subject matter expert to use it. It just gives anyone a structure to think more clearly.
This really gets at a common myth. A lot of people think that having a structure stifles creativity, but it's actually the complete opposite. This framework takes care of the how, which frees up all your mental energy to focus on the what. The creative ideas and the big insights that are going to lead to an amazing answer.
So how does it actually work? Well, the whole approach is built on 7 clear, logical steps. And it's not some rigid, one-and-done process. It's iterative. That means you're constantly learning and tweaking your approach as you go. Let's actually walk through those 7 steps right now.
All right, here they are. First up, step 1, define the problem. You have to get crystal clear on what you're actually solving. Then step 2 is structure the problem, where you break it down into smaller, bite-sized pieces. After that, step 3 is to prioritize the issues so you're focusing your energy on what truly matters. Step 4 is to develop a work plan. This is all about planning how to use your time wisely. Then comes the real work. In step 5, conduct analysis, where you hunt for the data to prove or disprove your hypothesis. Step 6 is to synthesize findings. This is where you find the story, the crucial so what in all your data. And finally, step 7, develop recommendations, turning all those insights into clear, actionable steps that people can actually take.
And I really want you to remember, this isn't just for some 6-month-long consulting project. You can apply this exact same thinking to a 2-week sprint. Heck, you can even use it on the fly in a meeting when a tough question gets thrown at you. These principles are just universally powerful.
So before we wrap this up, I want you to pause for just a second. Think about a problem you're dealing with at work right now. Which one of these 7 steps, if you really focused on it, could bring the most clarity? Maybe it's just taking 10 minutes to properly define the problem before you rush off to find a solution.
So, what's the big takeaway today? It's this: a structured approach is your absolute best weapon against ambiguity and chaos. The hypothesis-led framework gives you a proven 7-step roadmap that takes you all the way from a fuzzy problem to a clear, actionable recommendation.
So your mission, should you choose to accept it, is simple. Try to apply this skill today. The very next time you face a challenge, just pause and consciously try to use at least one of these steps. I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 13.
And hey, if this was helpful, make sure you're following along for the rest of this 100-day series. For the biggest impact on your growth, go ahead and start the full playlist from day 1. See you tomorrow for our next 5-minute skill.